In this video, I am going to show you how to create Bitget account and get it verified. So come to your Google Play Store, or you can go to your Apple Store and then search on Bitget. It will come up and you can see it from here. It has over 10 million users. Click and install. So when your Bitget app is already downloaded and installed, click on open. So it is telling you welcome. Click on continue. You can cancel all these things. Click on get started. Now you can use your mobile number or you can use your email. I prefer using email. Enter your email address and agree to their terms and conditions by clicking this. I do not want promotional stuff, so I will unclick that other one. So you now click next. So you are given a challenge to prove that you are a human being. So you have these objects here. You are going to select them in the order that they are written here. So I will click on this. Next, a butterfly. Next is the house. Then click OK. So verification success. They will now send a code to your email address and we will wait for the code and then we will enter it here. So I haven't gotten the code. I will click on resend again. So I have received it now. Copy your code and paste it here by clicking paste. And then now you can enter a password for your account, and it should be about 8 to 32 characters long. At least one uppercase letter should be in it, at least one number, and at least any of these special characters should also be in it. So I will create my password, then we can now move forward. So when you are done, click on next. So it will now log you in immediately. You can cancel this. So next you need to verify your Bitget account. So we have created a Bitget account right now. There's a complete identity verification before you move on to do any trading. So I am going to click on verify here. So they need your government issued document and face recognition. So let us click on verify now. You can click while using this allow give permissions. So it is selecting the country. You can select the country. If it got it wrong, you can click to select the country. Okay. So issuing country, you can select as well. ID type, you can use NIN or BVN. So I will select the BVN. So click on continue. So I will enter my bank verification number. And when you are done, click on continue. So look straight into the mirror. So my face has been captured. So it is under review. So when you are done here, you click confirm. So whenever they verify, I will come back to update you guys. The time is 2:52 p.m. now. After 1 minute, I got a notification from Bitget that I have passed the first verification and it is successful. So I can go back to my Bitget app now. So you can see that automatically is shown that it is verified. So I have unlimited withdrawal, unlimited crypto deposits, unlimited fiat deposits, and peer-to-peer. Okay, so you can click the back button, refresh again. So you can see this is just how to create a Bitget account and also get it verified. Now you can start trading, you can start depositing money, and you can start withdrawing all your cryptocurrencies, of which if you subscribe to the channel, I am going to show you all of these things. Now if you have any question regarding how to create a Bitget account and verify it, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.